I'm the Big Dog Savage, known as Charlie Savage, just as the World Savage King. Hello, fans and fans of mine. This is your own YouTuber, the World Savage King, known as Charlie Savage. I'm talking about my favorite dangerous animal. I will tell you about my animal. It is werewolf. They are coolest animals. Werewolf is the most dangerous animals in the entire earth. My favorite, it's the Twilight Saga New Moon. He is in the movie Jacob Black. He turns the wolf. I will become the werewolf from the movie The Twilight Saga New Moon. My favorite actor, Taylor Lautner, he played as Jacob Black. I am on Team Jacob. I hope Taylor Lautner will watch my video about him. He is an awesome, cool, and dope guy because he's my guy from the movie The Twilight Saga New Moon. Keep watching your own hands to be safe. I don't want my fans and fam to get sick. I am here for you. You here for Charlie Savage. Please keep watching my brand new video today. I'm the Real Savage King for my Savage King Army family. Pete, part of my family. You can be my editor for my YouTube channel. See the red subscribe, turn it subscribed gray all the way. See your phone size up, subscribed gray, gray is the way. You are my army. You are going to be my family, just like Savage King family. Give me thumbs up, make that a blue a like. I have 4 social medias. It's TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, also Instagram. I always post a picture or video on my Instagram. Go on the comment section, comment below. Which one of dangerous animal I can be? Werewolf or vampire? Don't forget, hit the notifications bell on. Like both sides. Comment below and comment dangerous animals. Guys, I always love you. You always be my army. Please keep watching my brand new video. Today, it's about which one of dangerous animal can I be. So, please keep washing your own hands to be safe. Okay? And I always love you guys. Keep watching brand new videos on my YouTube channel. Yes. I use 2 words. I just want to combine my name. It's the Real Savage King. Because I'm your big dog, Savage, known as the Big Dog, the Tribal Chief, known as the Real Savage King. After for you. Please go on my channel, See that red right there is dead. Make that subscribed gray. For me. Give me a thumbs up. Make that a blue I like this one. Please do this right now. And I always love you. Keep watching my videos on my channel. I always make good content like car video, gaming video, or movies video too. And I always do for you guys. I always love you. Please supporting me on this video as well. And I love you guys so much. Please comment done. Love you guys. Peace. Hashtag werewolf. Hashtag which animal can I be? Love you guys. Peace out.